What's up guys, Marissa from Krietz Customs. We are back again with another Krietz Customs build. This is a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali, and we're going to take a look at the specs of what Krietz Customs has added. Starting off with the leveling kit, it's going to be a 2.5-inch rough country leveling spacer. Wanted to make that subtle change to this and still having the same towing capacity and use of this truck. The wheel and tire package is going to be a fuel Maverick. It's a 20x9 with a +1 offset. The tire is going to be a Nitto Grappler. It's a 285/55/20. So still a nice aggressive wheel and tire to fit underneath of that leveling kit. If you guys like this truck, make sure you check out our lifted or leveled inventory at KreitzAuto.com. The stock number is 272-385. If you want to build your truck like this, make sure you look at our Facebook page at Krietz Customs. And if you have any questions about fitment, make sure you shoot us a message.